How you doing? This is Ezra Socias with First Priority Credit Solutions. I just want to make a follow-up video just going over how to increase your credit score, okay? This is how to build credit, okay? I already did a video talking about your FICO score and how it's calculated, so this video is just, okay, how do you establish and build credit? All right. Now, I have it broken up into three sections. These are the three fastest ways to increase your credit score or to build credit. The first is going to be credit card. Mainly a secured credit card, okay? So if you have a lower credit score, you don't want to go out applying for credit cards because you're going to get inquiries which are going to lower your credit score. You want to apply for cards that are considered secured credit cards, and meaning that you are going to have to use your own money down to get these cards, okay? So you can call our office for a list of companies that will be more than happy to assist you with building credit. But secured credit cards, the way that you want to use this card is you want to stay right around 30%, okay? Realistically, 50% is still fine, but once you go over that 50% mark, you start to lower your credit score in like chunks of 20, 40, 60. So you want to stay right around 30%. And you want to make your minimum payment, which is a little different from how a lot of other people may say to use a credit card. Some people might say charge something, then pay it down to zero balance. That's not really payment history. Payment history is having a payment in October, November, December, and making that payment on time. Okay? So you want to stay below 30%, make your minimum payment, and of course you want to pay it on time. Okay? If you do these three things with a secure credit card, in time your credit score will increase, guaranteed. Okay? If you have no credit, you may want to get two credit cards, because this one credit card is okay, but like I said, you can get the benefits of two with just one credit card, basically the same benefits times two. Okay? The second way to increase your credit score would be an authorized user. This is a technique that a lot of people aren't familiar with, but it really works. If you have a friend, family member, grandma, grandpa, whoever it is that has a credit card who had maybe 10 years of payment history, if they call their credit card company and add you as an authorized user, you're going to actually benefit because their whole payment history, their whole profile is going to transfer to your credit report, okay? So it's going to look like you made payments for 10 years, 12 years, or whatever the case is. So this is an excellent way to increase your credit score. But you want to make sure that that person stayed below 50%, or preferably 30. You want to make sure that they are maintaining a good payment history on there. You want to make sure they're paying it on time. Because if they're maxed out, if they're making late payments, things of that nature, that is also going to show up on your credit report. So you want to be careful who you select or who you ask to help you in that way. Okay? And the final way is a secured loan. Okay? Secured loan is basically going to your local bank and asking them to give you a loan on the money that you already have. So say if you want a loan for $500, they will put a hold on $500 that's in your savings account, and they'll give you $500 cash. And every month you'll be expected to pay on that. That's a secured loan. So it's basically using your own money to establish payment history, okay? Of the three, of course, credit cards impact much faster and more as far as points are concerned. But, you know, secure credit cards are also a good way to increase your credit score as well, okay? So these are the three ways that I would suggest anyone who's new to credit, who doesn't have any credit history at all, you definitely want to do this. Take these steps, because credit repair is part of the process. So having somebody take all the negatives off is good, but if you don't have any payment history, you might still find it difficult to qualify for a lot of loans because you basically have a blank credit report. Okay? So if you have any questions or need a free consultation, feel free to call the office, 888-315-3635. Thank you so much for your time, and be blessed.